What's unique about this project is we had an opportunity to help one of our fellow firefighters, Jesse Faust, who was injured in an off-duty accident. We've been working in the Wisconsin area to reduce barriers and or educate people on the availability of fire sprinklers. For the most part, there is not any requirements for fire sprinklers in Wisconsin in single-family homes.
I was previously a firefighter EMT with the city of Madison. After my accident, I'm now currently on disability retirement. The thing that kind of inspired me to use this system in my house was obviously, like I said, without it, I'm kind of really in trouble if there's a fire. If my bedroom door was open and I'm laying in bed, I have no way to get out.
We like the fire sprinkler system because it is an active system, right? We're typically seeing anywhere from 8 to 10 minutes before the fire department is putting water on a house fire. With the fire sprinkler system, once the temperature reaches 155 to 165 degrees, the sprinkler head closest to the fire or reaches that temperature activates, then water is being sprayed out onto the fire at that time, controlling the fire and keeping the fire relatively small.
For me personally, being that I'm handicapped, it makes a huge difference because I don't get around that well. And if I happen to not be in my chair, I'm kind of confined to that particular space that I'm in. So really, it's almost a lifesaver for me.
Major benefits having Uponor fire sprinkler system is to utilize your potable water to feed your sprinklers in your home. It's just a nice, clean, easy install. One contractor on the site, it all ties together, everything works flawlessly together.
It was not at all invasive to have to incorporate the sprinkler system in with the plumbing system. The process has gone really smooth. It's a combo system, so it does tie into a couple plumbing fixtures, but we were able to plumb the whole house and go back through and take off a couple of the fixtures and tie them into the sprinkler systems.
It is a live system, so it's always moving fresh water through your home when you flush your toilets, typically tying into your cold potable side, which is why a licensed plumber can install it.
The training for the Uponor system was fairly easy. It was about 4 hours online. We use Uponor products in every home that we install. We've always heard that Uponor has a really good warranty and stands behind the product, and we've never had to use it. We feel comfortable that if we did need to use it, they'd take care of us.
Again, to be able to have contractors out there that can now also install these systems definitely makes fire sprinklers a much more appeasing option for new homes.
Having installed this sprinkler system already, it opens our doors a little bit more to doing it more in the future. Don't be afraid of it. I mean, it was just one of the unknowns for us, but once you actually got into it, it went really smooth.
Sprinkler systems are great. You don't usually see them in residential. I never thought I would be able to do it in a home, but here I am, just extremely fortunate to have it and hopefully to show it to other people so that they realize what's possible. I think if you have the means to put it in and you're even thinking about it, I think you should absolutely do it.